As of 2024, Samsung has near enough mastered the foldable phone, so much so that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, despite being very similar to its predecessor, achieved a 4.5 star score in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 review. So it's likely the next model in the series, the Galaxy Z Fold 6, will also be a very good phone. First though, we have collected all the leaks and rumors about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 so far, and you will find those below. This includes information on the possible release date and price, and as well as some rumored specs and features. One of the latest leaks coming from OnLeaks shows a visual comparison between the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 6. The new phone looks much boxier and sharper, and the camera system on the back uses a slightly different design language than its predecessor, with larger camera rings and more pronounced and sharp corners. There are also some leaked photos of a Galaxy Z Fold 6 dummy showing the phone both unfolded and folded. This leak kind of corroborates what we have known so far. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 will have a more angular boxy design. Whatever the Galaxy Z Fold 6 color options, the foldable is expected to land in dark blue, light pink and silver. There might be some exclusive shades reserved for the elegant Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, but there is no information on that at this time. There was an early leak that came out even before the Galaxy Z Fold 5 stating that there would be a different aspect ratio for the external screen of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This makes a lot of sense, as the cover screen of the Fold has been criticized for being too narrow and difficult to operate. The latest leak on the subject kind of corroborates this. A supposedly leaked screen protector for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 shows that the cover screen has increased in width from 57.4mm to 60.2mm. We should also mention that Samsung filed a trademark application for something called Iron Flex. It's new type of flexible glass aimed at improving durability while staying flexible enough to meet the needs of foldable devices such as phones, tablets and laptops. We are not sure whether or not this Iron Flex glass will be ready in time for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 premiere, but there is good chance of that happening. Another recent leak claims to show a real picture of the new Galaxy Z Fold cover screen, and even though it's close up, we can see the symmetrical bezels of the cover screen. This comes from Ice Universe, so it's pretty reliable source. Check it out below. Galaxy Z Fold 5 sports a 6.2 inches 904 by 2316 pixels 23.1:9 ratio cover screen. In comparison, the Honor Magic V2 features a 6.43 inches 1060 by 2376 pixels 20:9 ratio cover screen that is, in our opinion, much more usable. When it comes to the main screen, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is believed to have a less pronounced crease. The report points toward a switch to thicker ultra-thin glass, the material Samsung uses for its foldable phones. The latest specs leak contains some info about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 display situation as well. According to tipster Yogesh Brar, the external screen will have an aspect ratio of 20:9, whereas the inner display will have a ratio of 1.08:1. The outer screen is expected to grow from 6.2 inches to 6.4 inch. We might also get a bump up in brightness, but don't quote us on that.